Dear students, let us understand chapter 24, sentence and its types. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It expresses a complete thought, right? If we are jumbling the words and it is not making complete sense, we cannot call it a sentence. See, for example, an eagle flies high in the sky. Did you complete your homework? How sad this news is. Seema, sit down. These are the words which are placed in the right order so they can be called as sentences. So we have different kinds of sentence. As you can see, in the first one there is a full stop. In the second one there is a question mark. In the third one there is an exclamation sign. And in the fourth one there is a full stop. Right? Now an eagle flies high in the sky. This is a, you can say, this is a fact which cannot be changed. Can use a universal truth also. For example, earth revolves around the sun. These kind of universal truths are called as declarative or assertive sentences. When it comes to the question mark, they are called interrogative sentences. When we talk about exclamation sign, it is called exclamatory sentences. They express sudden feelings and emotions. And Seema, sit down. It's a command. Whenever we talk about commands, orders, requests, and advice, these all four things in grammar, they are called as imperative sentences. So, first of all, we have here exercise of rearrange the words in each set to make a meaningful sentence. As you can see, a beautiful what painting. This is not a sentence. We cannot call it a sentence. But when we will rearrange the words, like what a beautiful painting. And it's not a question. Why it is not a question? Because it is explaining our sudden emotion. You saw the painting and you said, what a beautiful painting. And we put exclamatory sign. So same way, we have here a question word like eating fruit which you are. Which fruit are you eating? So when we rearrange the words in the order to make a sentence, right, they can be in four forms. Like I told you, it can be assertive sentence. See, it is here declarative or assertive sentences. We have interrogative sentences. They ask a question and they ends with question mark. Then we have imperative sentences. They express command, request, advice, or order. Exclamatory sentences, they expresses our sudden emotions and they end with exclamation mark. We have here the following exercise for these. See, what a wonderful man our principal is. Exclamation sign is there, it is an exclamatory sentence. Question mark is there, interrogative. Do not waste your time playing video games so much. It is imperative, right? We are advising somebody. Then question mark, interrogative. Please help the old lady cross the road. This is a request, imperative. It becomes very cold in Shimla during the winter, declarative. We are declaring something, we cannot change it. It is a fact. So, same way, the following exercise is telling you to make meaningful sentences and they are telling you how you are going to change it. Like whose pen, you have to change it into interrogative. Is this? For example, wash your hands. You have to change it into imperative. Wash your hands before eating. Now, this is an advice. It turns into imperative. So, same way. Coming to chapter 25, negative sentences. I am going, I am not going. Okay, negative sentences they include not, nor. I am discussing the exercise with you. Like, the boys are working hard. The boys are not working hard. Take the dog for a walk. Do not take the dog for a walk. It will become negative. The man is fixing the engine of the minibus. The man is not fixing. Dushyant will be leaving. Dushyant will not be leaving. Samira was keen to watch. Keen means eager. Utsuk. Samira was not keen. Nandini and Neeraj are taking part in the quiz. Nandini and Neeraj are not taking part. So my father will be driving, my father will not be driving. Same way, this is, they are like now do not will come or does not will come. With Harish, does not will come because Harish is singular, and swims will change into swim. I drive to college daily. I do not. With I we use do. I do not drive to college daily. Meeta sings melodiously. Meeta, with Meeta does not will come, and then sings will change into sing. Same, Deepak and Sohail is plural, so do not will come. This market has only cloth shops. This market does not have, has will change into have only cloth shops. Same way, these are, then you have to make the sentences affirmative. Affirmative means positive. Now they are giving us negative sentences. For example, I do not like mangoes. I like mangoes. Rashid does not do his homework. Rashid did his homework. Turns into positive. The dog did not chase the cat. The dog chased the cat. Here it was did not. Right? Did, because it was did, it changed into, the chase changed into chased. Do not eat this cake. Eat this cake. I will not cut the hedge. I will cut the hedge. Sophie has not returned home. Sophie has, reached home. The train did not arrive on time. The train arrived on time. Right?